1, 2, 3. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be recording my unboxing of fabfitfun. And this is the 2020 September seasonal box. So in my box, what I got this mask thing that I put on my face. It's called a multivitamin mask. 5 masks are included in here. Okay, and it gives you like the information of how to use it. Then I got my guess what, you'll be naked in 1 minute original coffee scrub, and it's made out of coffee.
I don't never say that.
And then I got this crease release. It removes wrinkles apparently, so I'm not sure how that works, but when I have wrinkles, I'll use it. Then I got this sleeping mist. I guess you put it on yourself before you go to sleep, and it protects your skin and improves the softness of your skin. Okay, next thing that I got in my box is this Glow Milk by the Beauty Corp. So it's made with coconut and argan oil. And it goes on your face. It's like a glow thing for your skin that you put on in a blend. Okay, and then you get like little coupons for like different things, like these things. And I got these cute little hair clips that I can wear like for any type of occasion. Got a little book where it tells you what they sell on their website. Got this thing called Erno Laszlo from New York, and it's to exfoliate and detox your pores. It's a clay mask. So this is basically the majority that I got was like skincare this month. And then I got this curling iron included from Fox Babe, and this 15% off from the Gather the Good. So that's it, guys. This is all I got in my box today. And then please make sure to like my channel and subscribe, and have a great day.